So now let's see how we can work around with the Unified Transform tool inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have an image, and in order to transform this, I can utilize the Unified Transform tool. So to access Unified Transform tool, I can simply go around and click right here. So if I were to go around and access this, then you can see that Unified Transform is an option. But for that, I need to go around and select out this layer right here, and then choose the layer as image, transform image, just like this. And then I can select out this image, as you can see. So once I go around and utilize this Uniform Transform tool, you can see that Unified Transform a dialog actually pops up over here as well. So now what I can do is I can click and drag to actually go around and change out the perspective by going around by clicking and dragging this edge, as you can see right here. I can utilize this edges right here, the square boxes on the edges, to resize it, and click and drag to move it, as you can see. I can utilize this to go around and change around the perspective, as you can see right here, just like this, by utilizing these dots right here. And I can utilize this particular dot right here, that is the anchor point, to go around and rotate this as well. So if I were to click outside, you can see that I can rotate it from the side, or I can go around and take around this anchor point right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around onto readjust right here, so over here you can see that reset is here. You can also go around and reset it so everything is back. And you can go around and resize it, place it wherever you want, and move it, as you can see, just like this as well. If I were to go around onto readjust, then you can see that I get it back over here just like this as well. So I can go around, let's say for example, rotate it, drag this down right here, and then you can readjust just like this. And what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you get everything back right here. So readjust right here just like this, and then this is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around and pull it out back again. Then apart from that, you can go around and transform it right here, and what happens is that it is now transformed and it is fixed. You can go around and readjust it right here just like this, over here, readjust it, and then you get the tool again to further change this around according to how you want. So that is how you can utilize the Unified Transform tool inside of GIMP and have all the transformation controls for an image. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.